Pretty brown. Beautiful guy. Get bigger, buddy. Let me see if I can find my fly. This is what I caught it on right here. Little topwater fly. A little brown exploded on it. It was like a little green belly. Ooh, he swiped at it and I snagged him. You see him? Look, he's right there. He swiped at it and I set the hook and snagged him on the tail. So every time you go to fish a location, always look for the nearest bait shop. Ask what they have, ask what the fish are hitting on. Most of the time they have everything you need to catch them in that area. So that's the fishing tip of the week. Let's go find another little pocket. I caught that one right here. I let it run right down the stream right there, and once it hit that calmer water, he hit it. Like and subscribe, everyone. Oh, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Jumped out of the water for it. I'm using a 9-foot 8 weight. Okay, so I'm using a 9-foot 8 weight. I'm not a big fly fisherman. I know how to catch fish on the fly, but I'm not a big fly fisherman. No, I'm using the leader I think was like 6X. I don't know what the term is for fly fishing, but it's a 7/8. It's a really nice pole. I got it at Cabela's. I bought it as a combo kit. Got it with some gift cards that I got for my birthday one year. Just because I wanted to learn how to fly fish. That one exploded really good on it. He jumped out of the water. And if they see you, they get spooked. Another thing, see there he goes. He just got spooked. Another thing is you let your bait flow like a natural bait. Look, I'll put it right here. Let it flow downstream like a natural bait. The fish will see it and come for it. Got him. See that? I can't even see the strike. I just hear him. And as soon as I hear it, I set that hook. Wet my hand. There you guys have it. That's the way to catch fish on a fly rod. I'm not the best fly fisherman out there, but I've learned it just enough to catch these little guys. So, pretty cool. Kind of fun actually. Like this species. Flow on that side of the bushes. Can't see me. So as long as you're hidden, they'll hit it. If they see you, they get spooked. There you go. Pretty little brown. Get bigger, buddy. My handle's still wet from that previous one. And it's a little challenging fishing these little creeks. Just because there's a bunch of weeds everywhere. So you're constantly getting snagged. So just let that little fly flow down. And right behind these bushes, we'll see if there's another one in there. Hide behind the bushes as best you can. Fish are always going to be facing upstream because they're waiting to catch whatever's coming down. So that's why when you walk upstream, throwing your little fly this way, it keeps you from being seen, and also gives them the target right in the face as it's drifting down. Oh, let's see if it goes far. It's going for it and he saw. He was gonna hit it, and then he saw us and he took off. Better enough and better coverage. We'll go back now. Alright, you guys, and that's how you do it. Like I said, I'm not a fly fisherman expert, but the little bit that I know is what I'm sharing with you guys, and I hope these tips help you guys on your next fly fishing adventure. If you're an amateur like me, these little tips, I hope they can help you. But this is what I'm using right here. Like I said, I bought this pole with a couple of gift cards that they gave me for my birthday about 2-3 years ago. I rarely break it out, but every now and then when we see streams like this, it's always fun to test it. So I stopped at that bait shop, or the information center, I mean. Asked them about the flies that they were hitting on. Sure enough, they pointed me to the right one. So always stop at your local bait shops wherever you're fishing. Thank you guys.